Hello, my name is Sky from Jaguar Crewe, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used Jaguar. We are delighted to bring you this Jaguar I-PACE EV400, having a total capacity of 90 kilowatts an hour, being capable of up to 282 mile range. With 400 PS of power and coming in the outstanding HSE variant, giving you an excellent spec list. The stunning Casian blue paint is enhanced by the chrome window surrounds, grille with surround, gloss black highlights, privacy glass adding to the look of the car as well as the security, and the 20-inch grey diamond turned finish alloys, finishing off the exterior beautifully. Benefiting from specification that adds to the convenience and safety of every journey, we have the Matrix LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, ensuring maximum vision of the road at all times. We also have the keyless entry, the electrically adjustable and heated door mirrors, and the powered tailgate, opening up to give you this spacious boot, perfect for shopping and luggage. Moving on to the interior of the car, in the back we have 3 full-size seats with manually adjustable headrests, a pull-down armrest in the middle with built-in cup holders and ISOFIX points on the outside too. Ensuring even your backseat passengers are comfortable, we have the 3-way adjustable heated back seats. When entering the cabin of the car, you are greeted by the ebony perforated leather upholstery with light oyster contrast stitching, pairing beautifully with the fixed panoramic sunroof, brightening up the cabin of the car and adding even more joy to the summer months, as well as the gloss black door and dash inserts. And adding to the comfort and luxury of every drive is the electrically adjustable, heated and cooled front seats with memory function. On the dash we have the black leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, helping you safely and easily control the cruise control with speed limiter, the heated steering wheel function, making the cold winter mornings that little bit better, the interactive driver display screen, giving you everything you need right in your peripheral, helping to create a safer journey, alongside the amazing head-up display, keeping your eyes on the road at all times. For all of your entertainment needs, we have the touchscreen display. This features the likes of satellite navigation for all of those unknown roads, DAB digital radio giving you access to a wider range of radio stations, Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you can always listen to your favourite playlists. And it also displays the 3D surround camera, alleviating all of your parking worries. Just below we have the stop start go button, as well as the climate control display screen, giving you access to the dual zone climate controls, ensuring both you and your front seat passenger are always comfortable in this forever changing British weather, alongside the climate front seats, giving you the 3-way heated and 3-way cooled adjustment. This car comes with a minimum of 1 year's manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to book a test drive, please call us on 01270 864408 or inquire online now. Thank you.